Welcome to Sklearning, the series of ADF questions. In today's video, we'll break down ADF, a powerful cloud-based ETL service for data integration. If you're new to Azure or data engineering, make sure to subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful content. Let's start. What is Azure Data Factory? Azure Data Factory, ADF, is a cloud-based ETL, extract transform load, service that helps in data integration, transformation, and movement across on-premises and cloud environments. Another question: what are the main components of ADF? Pipeline, a workflow of data activities. Activity, a single processing step, copy data, flow, etc. Dataset represents data sources or destinations. Linked service connection to external data sources. Trigger automates pipeline execution. Integration runtime, IR, handles compute and data movement. Another question: how does ADF differ from SSIS? ADF is cloud-based while SSIS is on-premises. ADF is serverless while SSIS requires SQL Server integration services. ADF is scalable and supports various cloud and hybrid data sources.
Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Subscribe to Sklearning for more informative content.